not a whore. I am 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 not a whore. But I like to do it. Most girls I meet are quite savage, always trying to grab up on my package. They say I look yummy and they want a taste, but I'm a human, not a sandwich. Sometimes I feel like LL Cool J. I need love, not random booty. But every girl I try to get to know ends up trying to do me. I said I am not a whore. I am not a whore. But I like to do it. Your hand out my pants. I am not a whore. No, no, no. I am not a whore. I'm not your whore. I am not a whore. I just love you. I am not a whore. But I like to do it. Somewhere out there in the vast nothingness of space. Somewhere far away in space and time.